Hindi bubuwagin ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict o NTF-ELCAC. Ito ang kumpiyansang pahayag ni National Security Council Assistant Director General Jonathan Malaya. Ayon sa opisyal, narinig niya mismo sa talumpati ng Pangulo na binibigyan din ito ang halaga na maituloy ng task force ang trabaho nito. Katunayan, ayon kay Malaya, isa na lamang ang guerrilla front na natitira sa bansa at ito ay ang nasa Camarines Sur. Inaasahan niya na tuluyan na itong malalansag bago matapos ang taon.
If I may quote the President this morning, I'm encouraged by the reports. Our efforts are bearing fruit. We have to continue. It has been successful and we need to continue to invest in its success. End of quote. So I don't think we will have a more clearer answer than that from the President.